my take on how I would build an FX radically has changed because of a couple things. All right. If I were to buy a blacked out FX SVHO with no sound, it would be a nano hull boat because I get it used. And some guys who, is scared of scratching the paint or doesn't know how to take care of his skis, I would have jumped on that one. And I would do the Stage 1 Plus tune. I would do the Air Ribbon Delete. I would do the new Pro filter, green filter, not the cold air kit. And I would do the impeller and Pro Series sponsons. And that would put me at 81 miles an hour, and I would be totally satisfied with an 80 mile an hour 3-seater. And that's how I would build my FX. So that's how I would do it.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.